Hello there. Today we are going to learn how to use our modal verbs when we speculate about a situation. That means making a guess when we're not 100% sure. Are you ready? Well, let's go ahead. To speculate about situations, we can use these modal verbs. Must, can't, could, may, might. So, what's the difference between must, can't, could, may, and might, you may be asking yourselves? Well, let's have a look at them. The fact is that when we use must and can't, we are almost certain something is true. For example, when we say, "The lights are on, they must be at home." Or, "He can't be at work, his car isn't there." However, when we start to doubt about something, we can use could, may, and might. Like in these examples, "She could be in a meeting," when it is a strong possibility. Or, "She may be on the train," when we start guessing, and we can say, "She might be at home," which is then a total guess, as we really have no idea where she is. So, to sum up, and make it easy for you to remember, we could say, must is a strong positive guess, can't is a strong negative guess, and could, may, and might all mean it's possible. Well, I hope that helps you to understand another usage of these modal verbs. I know they are very confusing. Now, as always, do you know where I am in the next image? Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!
Speak English with